Updating your profile details on Degiro is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account or Profile section in the main menu. Click on it to access your profile settings where you can view and edit your details. Step 3. Select the information to update. In the profile settings, identify the specific details you want to update, such as your address, phone number, or email. Click on the appropriate section to make changes. Step 4. Enter new information. Input the updated information in the designated fields. Ensure that all entries are accurate and double-check for any typos or errors before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your details, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are reflected in your profile. By following these steps, you can easily keep your Degiro profile up to date. Regularly checking and updating your information helps maintain the security and accuracy of your account.